Directly involved with the concerns that have been portrayed here. And I want to say that we've seen significant gains with family planning as a program and as a service within the county. We are seeing a lot of issues now on sexual reproductive health which need direct concern, and from the study here, we are seeing GBV as a direct issue of concern for each of us. At the DRH, we want to make it absolutely clear that we are directly responsible for matters reproductive health, save for GBV.
With the availability of tools, there's also how then the use of the tools, the proper use of the tools. So that's work that we continue to do. In this study, it was also very key that psychosocial support is missing in a lot of these levels. So then also making sure that we have the psychosocial support. That's both the psychological care, the social assessment, and the other bits of the referral mechanism, which takes me to the next point where the pathways have to be functional. So we need to make sure that the referral mechanisms are working. And part of this, for example, is a toll-free line. Are survivors able to call and get assisted? Are there ambulances, for example? Are there, the community health promoters that we're being told today? Those can act also as case managers. They can also be referral sources. They can also create awareness.
NCPD, the National Council for Population and Development, we advise the government on any issues population. And when you're talking about GBV, we are also able to do all this through advocacy and public education. Advocacy at different levels in the executive and with the legislature, so that we can be able to have all population issues addressed. That said, I just want to acknowledge the work that has been done by PSK through this accelerator project, because one of the things we grapple with as a country is providing evidence for things that are happening in the country. And just the 4 counties is already opening our eyes. We know it's been an issue, but without the evidence, you cannot be able to inform programming. So we're looking also forward to having more information, not just for the 4 counties, but the 13 that has been promised through the Accelerate program. Coming to NCPD, one of the things that we look forward to doing is strengthening male involvement in family planning. Because one of the things we do is we hold community dialogues where we discuss issues that are affecting our communities. So NCPD, through these dialogues that we've been having, we've had some on family as an area that is really affected, but we're also looking forward to discussing why gender-based violence.